Hi everybody. Today I got the Macy's beauty box for February 2021. The box looks different this time. It's not white and it's not one of those fall apart boxes. As soon as you open it, it opens all the way up. This is just a regular box this time. So, let's see what's in here. Okay, first we have a bag. It says Beauty Essentials. A little fabric bag. It has a drawstring like that. Okay. And of course the $5 off that we get every month from Macy's. This one is good until March 26th. And this is everything else in the pink paper. First we got from Colorstay, Vinyl Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. I have some more Colorstay samples about this size. It's sealed. So I have like an entire set of samples, deluxe samples. And then from Elemis, we got the Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an enzymatic cream exfoliator. That's that one. I like Elemis products too. Let's apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. And this one is also sealed. And then we have First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. This cream is a staple in a lot of subscription boxes, I've noticed. But it's fine, I like it. And we get a pretty good amount too. And then we have from Sundari, Chamomile Eye Oil. It says place 1 drop on your finger and gently press around the eye orbit. Okay. And then the final thing is from Clean Reserve. This is the Avant Garden Collection. And it says Galbanum and Rain. Sounds interesting. Spray it on this paper. It's kind of fresh and like plants. It says woody green family. Okay, yeah, I would definitely agree with that. It's very woody and green. There's a picture of it inside here. Yeah, it's nice. This box seems a little bit light this month for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, we got the fabric drawstring bag along with the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. The Colorstay Vinyl Perfect Radiance Serum. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. The Sundari Chamomile Oil. And the Clean Reserve from their Avant Garden Collection. Of course, the $5 off at Macy's Beauty. That's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.